Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the watch and phone are ready to pair. Charge the watch to at least 50% and keep the phone unlocked. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone so signals stay strong. This helps speed discovery. Now open the Wear OS or the watchmaker's companion app and tap Add a new watch. You do this first because automatic scanning is faster when both devices are active and the app is focused on pairing. You should see a pairing code on both screens. Confirm they match, then tap Pair on the phone and Accept on the watch. Next, grant the companion app required permissions, location, Bluetooth, and notification access, so services like calls and messages sync correctly. Allow the app to install companion services and update firmware if prompted, because updates often fix bugs and enable features. Once granted, the app will continue setup automatically. Make sure both devices remain close until it finishes. Now finish by choosing your watch face, notification preferences, and health or fitness sync settings. These choices control what you see and what syncs to your phone. Sign into your Google account in the companion app to enable app sync, backups, and store access. This is why you get seamless app installs and data continuity. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices, turn Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing within 1 minute. This clears transient Bluetooth conflicts and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.